You are watching for the greater good.
Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting Python project, an intelligent chatbot. Hope you guys are doing well, and I am here to show how our extremely reliable and smoothly processing chatbot interacts with humans, search what is asked, and provide the best of some solutions. We would be having two parts in this video. First, we will see how our chatbot works, and second, we will have an overview of the code written to develop it. So without further delay, let's start and see how it's working. And here is the first frame of our program. After clicking it, it will take us to the main window.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Jarvis. How can I serve you?
So this is the GUI of our application. On the right hand side, you can see there is a terminal-like screen which displays the questions and their respective answers. And on the left hand side, we have an image of our chatbot and some GIF stuff. Now let me ask any random question. What should I ask? I have a question, but before asking it, I'll have to click this green button.
I am listening.
What is the meaning of flabbergasted? And now it's processing.
Verb. Surprise. Someone. Greatly. Astonish. This news has left me totally flabbergasted.
And here we have our
Astonish.
answer. If we
Astound.
scroll down,
Amaze.
we can see the
Surprise.
complete text.
Startle. Shock. Take aback. Take by surprise. Dumbfound. Strike dumb. Render speechless. Stun. Stagger. Stop someone in their tracks. Take someone's breath away. Confound. Daze. Overcome. Overwhelm. Nonplus.
The answer is quite
Stupefy.
long, for which I
Disconcert.
apologize, guys.
Unsettle. Bewilder. Bowl over. Knock for 6. Knock sideways. Knock the stuffing out of. Floor. Gobsmack.
Now I'll ask a mathematical question. Let's see if this works or not.
I am listening.
1025 multiply by 4.
$4,100.
Bingo! It worked! You can see the power of web scraping. No hard coding or filing. Now let's see if our chatbot has some general knowledge or not.
I am listening.
When was WHO formed?
April 7,
the results are
1948. The World Health Organization, WHO, is a specialized agency of the United Nations that is concerned with international public health. It was established on April 7, 1948, and is headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. The WHO is a member of the United Nations Development Group.
Let me ask one more question.
I am listening.
When was United Nations formed?
October 24, 1945, San Francisco, California, United States.
See, this is amazing.
I am listening.
Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows.
7.7/10 IMDb.
So it has given me the
65%
rating of the
Metacritic.
movie along with some
77%
description.
Rotten Tomatoes. After Voldemort takes over the Ministry of Magic, Harry, Ron and Hermione are forced into hiding. They try to decipher the clues left to them by Dumbledore to find and destroy Voldemort's Horcruxes.
Now I'll show you how our chatbot follows our orders. I also have a command to shut it down.
I am listening.
Goodbye, Jarvis.
Shutting down. Thank you for using our service. Take care. Goodbye.
So now guys, we will move on to the second part of our video, in which we will take an overview of the code written to develop our chatbot. First things first guys, we have imported some libraries that were required in our chatbot. Tkinter is the most important one for our GUI, time and date, Pyttsx for our reply through voice, speech recognition to recognize our voice, and then the most important one, threading. Here we have some functions, we will discuss them sequentially. Now move down to if name is equals to main. There are some global variables required, and this is our Pyttsx3 text to speech engine. We have used SEPI5 driver. Then here initialized our Tkinter window, set its title, and then some other functions like configure and geometry, its background set to white. Then we have uploaded some media files over here that were required for our graphical user interface, and here is the first frame you guys have seen. When the program executes, it will destroy on clicking it, and the rest of the program continue its execution. Then we have placed the background label over here, in which we have set our background image through a canvas, and here is that frame in which we have placed our canvas and some GIF stuff in this canvas. And at the bottom of this frame we have a button. On clicking, you guys can ask questions from our chatbot. And now we have created a thread over here. It targets our main window. So let's see what main window is. And here is the main window function named main window, a global variable, and this function calls another function named wishme. Let's see what functionality this wishme function performs. And here we have our function wishme. It checks date, time, and then wishes according to the date or time, only time. If it's morning, then it will say good morning, afternoon or evening. Here we have created two threads. First one for our text to speech conversion, and the other one for our chatbot screens transition. Let's have a look on this function speak. Here is this function. It uses the engine of Pyttsx3 to convert text given in the arguments and reply through a voice. Along with this we have our function transition, so check it out. And here our transition function. And this function transition updates images continuously on the canvas, so it looks like a transition. As you have seen, the images updated one by one and it looks like it's a GIF. So this function takes images and update it in the canvas. These two functions work together, transition and speak, because we have used threading over here. The main purpose of using threading is that these two functions work together, and it looks cool that our chatbot is speaking and some GIF stuff are running on the background. Till now we have seen the functionality our chatbot performs on startup. Let's see if the user clicks the button ask me question, and here is a question button. On clicking this button have a command, take command. So let's see what this function take command does. Here we have our take command function. This function speaks that I am listening. It will recognize your voice if you have asked any question or said anything. Then if any of exception is raised, then it will speaks that say that again please. And if not, the process goes well, your voice would be saved in this variable query. As you have said anything and the variable has saved your voice in query, so here we have a main loop in which query not equal to none. If query is not equals to none, then it will check and check what is in the query. If you have said shutdown, quit or anything, then it will call the function shutdown. Moving on to the function shutdown. Here is the function shutdown. Just like our wish me function, this function also have two threads in which this will speak shutting down, thank you for using our service, and then the second thread we have used for transition, just like before. Now if that condition is false, where was that? Here it is. If this condition is false, means the query doesn't have the command shutdown, quit and stop or something else, then our else block will execute. It will call the function web scraping. So let's have a look on the function web scraping. Web scraping. Here we have our function web scraping. In this function our query would be sent through arguments and this function will search this on Google. Let me show you how this works. Here we have searched when was United Nations formed. So our chatbot will extract date from here and some information regarding United Nations written here. It will also extract this information and tells you that here are some information and the date of formation of United Nations. Another example is any mathematical question. If we say 2 multiply by 6, then we have our calculator over here on Google. It will also extract this result and put it on the screen and speaks. There is no hard coding, no any mathematical calculation used in our code. It will always extract information from Google. Here we have used the concept of web scraping. Now I will show you how web scraping works. Here in our program we have used 4 divs to extract information from the web app Google's divs. It will check 4 divs. If first one is empty, then it will check the other one and provide the best results. And then all of these divs is empty. For example, all of these divs are empty. So it will search the Wikipedia link. It will request the link of Wikipedia and ask Wikipedia about your link. If Wikipedia is empty and doesn't provide any of required results, so our chatbots say that sorry, I could not find the desired results. And this is all about our program. As you guys have seen how strong Python is, that we have not much long script to develop a chatbot. We have 235 lines of code. You guys can also develop these type of interactive projects, and please tell us in the comments that how we can make it better and better. And you also can share your projects so that we can explore something else we need to develop in our programs, and we will also explain your project through our video. So this is it. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys are enjoyed it.